This is a construction site in Delhi. You can see the workers, the labor, working without a helmet and a harness. Out of these five of them, only two are wearing the harness. Rest all of them are without even the basic requirement of a helmet. Now, this is a clear play from their side, of course, to their with their lives. But what about the imposition of strict construction labor rules, which they are clearly seen flouting? And this is an invitation to any mishappening. Even if they call themselves very skilled and used to working like this, and very efficient in climbing these single rods till the seventh story, even then it's important to impose strict rules of safety of life on these construction workers. Have a look yourself. He's without a helmet and even without a harness. Incidents like this have taken toll on such laborers earlier also, in multi high rise buildings. See.